Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology designed for exploring the underwater world. The advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm, also known as the ultimate marine exploration tool EVO with arm. This isn't just a simple camera on a string. It's a sophisticated system built for serious underwater adventures. Right off the bat, the headline feature for many will be the immersive 4K video recording. This drone is equipped with a high-resolution camera capable of capturing stunning footage, promising an unparalleled visual experience whether you're observing marine life, inspecting structures, or simply exploring the seabed. The clarity and detail that 4K provides can truly bring the underwater environment to life, making you feel like you're right there alongside the drone. One of the practical aspects that stands out is the extended operating range. It comes with a robust 100-meter cable, which allows you to explore significantly deeper areas than many consumer-grade underwater devices. This depth capability, combined with a reliable remote control system, gives the operator confidence in maneuvering the drone even in challenging conditions. Durability is key for any equipment used in harsh environments like underwater. This drone is built to withstand temperatures ranging from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius. This wide operating temperature range suggests it's designed for use in various climates and water conditions, from colder northern waters to warmer tropical seas. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. The drone is equipped with a powerful 9,000 mAh battery, which provides up to 4 hours of continuous exploration time. 4 hours is a substantial amount of time for an underwater drone, allowing for extended dives and thorough surveys without the constant worry of needing to resurface for a charge. For control and viewing, it utilizes intuitive FPV operation. This means you get a real-time, first-person view of what the drone's camera sees, transmitted seamlessly via Wi-Fi connectivity. This direct visual feedback is crucial for precise navigation and capturing the exact shots you want. The Wi-Fi connection handles the data transmission, keeping you connected to the drone's perspective. While the details on the robotic arm are brief in the description, its inclusion in the product name, EVO with arm, highlights it as a significant feature. A robotic arm adds a whole new dimension to underwater exploration, moving beyond just observation. It suggests the capability for interaction, perhaps collecting samples, retrieving small objects, or manipulating the environment in some way. This transforms the drone from a purely observational tool into one that can actively engage with its surroundings. In terms of physical presence, the drone measures 15 by 13 by 5.6 inches and comes in a clean white color. It's designed for adult users, reflecting its advanced capabilities and potential applications. The included components are the battery and the camera, which are fundamental to its operation. Overall, the advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm, ultimate marine exploration tool EVO with arm appears to be a comprehensive package for serious underwater enthusiasts, researchers, or professionals. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, significant depth capability, long endurance, and the added functionality of a robotic arm positions it as a versatile tool for a wide range of marine exploration tasks. It's built tough, offers clear visuals, and provides the means to not just see, but potentially interact with the underwater world.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.